Hi guys, this is Abraham from Franco Painting. One more time I'm doing exterior work here. So this is the garage door. I prime everything already with mask, whole thing. And now we are in the process to do the first coat. Normally I wear my mask to do this, but I want to show you guys how I do. So as you guys can see, it's all like prime already, and now I'm going to do the first coat. So here's the first coat of paint, and we still have to sand again and do another coat. So feel free to give me a call. Abraham from Franco Painting. Thank you. Bye bye.